Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this nice exponential equation. The equation we have 4 to the power of k to the power of 2 is equals to k to the power of 128. Here we are going to find out the value of k. So let's start our solution. In the first step, I was going to split this 128. 4 to the power of k to the power of 2 is equals to k to the power of 2 times 64 give us 128. Now I'm going to use the exponential rule here. That is a to the power of m times n can be written as a to the power of m and whole to the power of n. So I'm going to express this 4 to the power of k to the power of 2 is equals to k to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 64. Now if you can see here carefully, we have k to the power of 2 here and here is common. So I will going to let here k to the power of 2 is equals to a. Therefore, this equation turns to 4 to the power of a is equals to a to the power of 64. Now, I was going to raise 1 over 64a both this side, 4 to the power of a and whole to the power of 1 over 64a both this side. Because I want to eliminate the 64 from the right hand side and a from the left hand side. So here this and this get cancelled, here this and this get cancelled. So the expression we'll get, that is 4 to the power of 1 over 64 is equals to a to the power of 1 over a. Now we're going to express this expression by writing 4 to the power of 4 over 4 times 1 over 64 is equals to a to the power of 1 over a. Now I will going to multiply the powers here. So 4 to the power of 4 over 464 times give us 256 is equals to a to the power of 1 over a. Now next I will going to take that 4 power inside the bracket. So I'm going to write 4 to the power of 4 and whole to the power of 1 over 256 is equals to a to the power of 1 over a. Now this 4 to the power of 4 is equals to 256 raised to the power of 1 over 256 is equals to a to the power of 1 over a. Now here we have the rule a to the power of a is equals to b to the power of b is equals to a is equals to b. So I will going to write here a is equals to 256. Next, our aim is to find out the value of k. So for that, I will going to take the let value k to the power of 2 is equals to a. So k to the power of 2 is equals to the a value we have 256. Now I want to remove this square, so I'm going to take root both this side. So here this will be going to cancel out. Here. Now here this k is equals to 256 plus minus. Here k will be equals to the root of 256 is 16, so plus minus 16. So this is our final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.